Okay, this is a video of my Hoover power dash. It's plugged up. As I stated, it was working. Now there's no power. I'll show you. I'll put it in another plug. I've checked all the breakers. Nothing. Does nothing. So that's the problem.